Assalamualaikum. My name is MOKHTAR bin MOKHTAR. My matrix number is 23JLS19F2027. With my group members, ARIFF HAKIM bin Yaakob, THIBAN anak lelaki SHANKAR, and FATIN AMEERA ASYIQIN binti ZAMRI. Our supervisor is ENCIK HAMIZAN bin AB.HAMID. We want to present the development of new shipping and packaging method at Sport Direct online portal. This is table of content containing Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 Project Justification, Chapter 3 Project Analysis, Chapter 4 Project Finding, and Chapter 5 Conclusion and Recommendation. Next, I will pass to THIBAN to start the presentation.
Thank you, Hakim. I will continue the presentation. Well, I am THIBAN matrix number F2083. Today, I would like to talk about the introduction of this project. Packaging is the first part of preparing goods to ship, and packaging is the relevant to the retailer who will ultimately receive the goods. The main purpose of packaging is to protect its content from any damage that could happen during transport, handling, and storage. Otherwise, make up the product marketable and keep it clean. Packaging has a significant impact on the efficiency and effectiveness of retail supply chains, where improvement can be achieved through the adoption and development of the concept of the packaging logistics. There are various types of packaging that have been created from time immemorial according to the passage of time and various materials that have been used to produce a good packaging for an item. Secondly, I would like to talk about the organization's background of the Sport Direct company. Sport Direct International Company, founded in 1982 by Mike Ashley. Sport Direct has successfully opened many branches throughout Asia, and one of them is in Malaysia. Malaysia marks as the first direct retail investment in Asia through a partnership with MST Gold Group of companies. Sport Direct MST Center Berhad was incorporated on December 14, 2010 with its headquarters in Subang Jaya. Sport Direct also has its own warehouse located in Salem. Currently, Sport Direct operates more than 24 retail stores in Malaysia, and Sport Direct's strategy is to expand across the company. Thirdly, I would like to talk about the only startup Sport Direct company. Ford Kamarudin bin Zulkifli is the general manager of Sport Direct warehouse. Under the warehouse general manager, there are 3 managers who assist in management of warehouse. No Shakira binti Abdullah Isham as HR manager, Aizul Omar bin Ahmad Arifin as operation manager, and Kang Neng Peng as finance manager. Under the operation manager, there is an admin named Muhammad Ashraf bin Ahmad and Muhammad Alif and Amil working as supervisor to assist in the management of the operation in warehouse. Thank you. Next, I will pass to ARIFF HAKIM to continue the presentation.
Thank you to THIBAN. I'm ARIFF HAKIM bin Yaakob, matrix number F2025. So basically, Sport Direct is one of the leading sport apparel and equipment retailers in the world. Its product portfolio includes segments like sport, fitness, fashion, and lifestyle. These businesses are spread over 20 countries with roughly around 670 stores. It has partnered with top sports brands in the world including Adidas, Nike, Puma, and Under Armour. Its marketing its product portfolio is diverse and get a lot of goods for men, women, and children, be it sport, accessory, fashion, or even electronics. Its shopping portal has products across various categories. Business problem and issue. Based on the survey and questionnaire which have been distributed among the Sport Direct warehouse staff, 15 responded with warehouse manager, which is Mr. Fuad Kamarudin bin Zulkifli, and other staff state that 86.7% of customers return a purchase because received damaged and defect item referred to the picture. Meanwhile, 66.7%, which is more than 100 customers, are complained about the damaged and defect item in a month. In addition, 100%, which is all of the customers, don't have any option to request a proper and safety packaging, also an option to choose their desired delivery courier company, especially when purchased through Sport Direct online portal, whether their website or apps. Therefore, the damaged items that are successfully delivered also need to be returned can inconvenience the customer satisfaction and harm the relationship brand established with them. Consequently, this experience may stop the customer from making more purchase in the future. Objective of business project. General objective of this project is to provide suitable solution regarding packaging and shipping issue faced by Sport Direct company. For specific objective is, firstly, identify the current issue faced by Sport Direct company, then to propose a modification and design a new interface of shipping method system at Sport Direct online portal, website, and apps. Lastly, to determine the effectiveness and efficiency of new shipping method system in improving customer goods problem when purchased through the online portal. Scope of business project. Firstly is what? By propose suitable solution to solve the packaging problem faced by Sport Direct Company. Next is where? Sport Direct warehouse located at Shah Alam, Selangor. And who? To warehouse general manager, which is Mr. Fuad Kamaruddin bin Zulkifli. Also other staff such as HR manager, operation manager, supervisor and others. When? This project started in March 2022 and end in June 2022. Why? It is because customer don't have any option to request a proper and safety packaging when make an online order through online portal. Also, more than 100 customers are complained about receiving a damaged and defect item in a month. Lastly, how? By provide a suitable solution to the company in improving customer goods problem when purchased through the online portal. Limitation of business project. Firstly is difficulties to reach the respondents and to communicate. It is because there wasn't a proper communication or meet up with the staff of Sport Direct Warehouse. Also, the respondent to answer the questionnaire was quite difficult due to the heavy workload. Next is time restrictions. It is because given time to complete the project was only 14 weeks, there was an urge to make fast progress because the duration is too short and there is also a lack of time with only 4 months given. Therefore, proper scheduling was done.
Thank you, Arif Hakim. Next, I want to present about the proposed solution. First, problem statement. Customer complain about Sport Direct Company on existing shipping and packaging methods. After, survey questionnaire point out the problem in the company Sport Direct Sdn Bhd can be identified with the most agreed with the problem and receiving damaged packaging. Next, problem issue. Before, Sport Direct Company has faced a shipping and products damage issue during shipment. After, existing packaging method pose huge problem for delivery companies since feathers which reason damaged packaging and shipping problem. Solution. Before, there is no further response was taken by the employees to resolve the issue about packaging problem in Sport Direct Sdn Bhd. After, the survey record employees' suggestion to the company understand their customer feedback about delivery service and the problem faced. Group members are generate a solution for Sport Direct Sdn Bhd to overcome this problem. This is the website interface which has been modified by adding shipping and packaging method. The website is quick and easy to use by simply entering some information such as the types of packaging and shipping method on the website. The items can be purchased in just a matter of minutes. Step by step to place an order is, after the customer select the item they want to buy, the customer will be taken to the packaging method section. In the packaging method section, there are 2 options, namely standard packaging and protective packaging. Customer can choose the type of packaging according to their respective budgets. After making the packaging selection, the customer will be taken to the shipping option section. Customer have the option to choose the courier company of their choice and their desire to ship the order. We have also recommended the best and selected courier company, which is DHL Express. If customer choose protective packaging for their order, this is an example of protective packaging provided. Protective packaging are materials built to protect and buffer a product from potential harm or disruption during shipping or warehousing. In the protective packaging, there are various types of materials to prevent damage to goods. Among them are packing peanuts, bubble bags, packaging foam and so on. The benefit gained from protective packaging by using 2 layers of box can increase the durability of the product. Besides, fill the space in the shipping box by placing packaging foam or bubble bags can reduce the movement of the product. Next, I want to explain the proposal planning and costing. This project aims to investigate the planning and costing of the Sport Direct Sdn Bhd new packaging and shipping method. This budget is compatible with the design and information needed to create the new packaging, which is protective packaging and shipping method option. The total cost for this project is RM66. Next, I want to explain the justification. First, modify features in website and application notify the customer to select their packaging method. Second, protective packaging and standard packaging are included in the suggested packaging method. Next, eliminate customer complaints about product damage and improve the reputation of company. Next, consumer have the option to decide on their favorite courier company through the Sport Direct website or application. And last, ensure that the product delivered are in a safe and perfect condition to the customer. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to FATIN AMEERA to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Ashraf. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is FATIN AMEERA ASYIQIN BINTI ZAMRI, matrix number 23DLS19F2053. I will continue the presentation with methodology. The quantitative research was applied by providing a questionnaire which have been distributed among the Sport Direct Warehouse staff. The qualitative focus through open-ended and conversational communication by face-to-face interview session, meeting with Mr. Fuad Kamaruddin bin Zulkifli, which is the General Manager of Warehouse Sport Direct. Next, data analysis method. First step, the project target demographic is based on district of Shah Alam and the state of Selangor. Around 15 Sport Direct employees of respondents who have answered the questionnaire form. Second step, list of all items in the target population area in Shah Alam. Third step, most of them think about the problem they're facing from the main customer complaint, which is received item was not in a good condition when make an online order. And the last step, which is step 4, which is 15 respondents who have answered the questionnaire form. Next is data collection method. As mentioned, interview at Sport Direct Warehouse Shah Alam was conducted to gather information. This survey was conducted through a virtual medium by a Google Form to 15 staff at the Sport Direct House. Question from a Google form based on the packaging and shipping method. There were 3 demographic questions and 11 multiple choice questions in the Google form. This survey was conducted to find out level of customer satisfaction which the packaging and shipping management provided by the company. Next, data analysis method. According to the Google form, survey 100% of the respondents are not satisfied with the existing packaging because it is not safe and protective. As the result from the survey, 93.3% of Sport Direct staff agree that most of the customer complaints are that package are damaged when making online order. Now let's move to situational analysis. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. The strength, by relating it to the project, the website is quick and easy to use. By simply entering some information such as the type of packaging and shipping method in the website, the item can be purchased in just a matter of minutes. Next is weakness. The weakness for this website is lack of mobile support. This means the website doesn't proportionally resize to different size screen. This will make it difficult for customers to use the website while using their phone. Next, opportunity. The website increase sale purchase because customers are more confident and do not have to worry about damage of goods. Finally, threats. For the website, there are several threat factors that can occur. For example, fraudulent activities such as website hacking and system down. Let's move to 5C. 5C stands for Company, Customer, Competition, Collaborator, and Climate. For company, Sport Direct is a multi-channel retailer. It reaches out to the customer via a steady voice across multiple platforms including online, mobile, and on the high street. Next is customer. Sport Direct has a wide range of variety for different types of customers such as families, fashion conscious, and sport people. Next is competitors. Competitors can be found in the form of other companies operating in the same industry as a focal company such as Food Locker, JJB Sport, and Hibet Sport. Next, collaborator. The collaborator that has partnered with Sport Direct including Adidas, Nike, Puma, and Under Armour. Finally, climate. Climate is external factor that aren't controlled by the business. For example, an industry may be highly profitable with a strong growth trajectory, but it won't be any good for Sport Direct International if it is situated in unstable political environment. Now, I will pass the presentation to Hakim.
Thank you, Fatin AMEERA. Next is solution impact. Based on the total responder statement, 100% of the employees agree that the development of a new shipping and packaging method can overcome Sport Direct problem, which is customer goods had been damaged during the shipment. Thus, 94% of all respondents state that the addition material in the protective packaging method such as bubble wrap, packing peanuts, craft paper, air pillows, packaging foam, and double box can offer fairly exceptional protection and prevent the goods from being damaged. By using a proper SFT packaging such as protective packaging plan, the ship's good will be protected and from any damage and successfully deliver undamaged good to the end user.
For the conclusion, by develop a new shipping and packaging method session with a variety of ends of safety and proper packaging plan solution at the Sport Direct Sdn Bhd online portal will help in improving customer goods problem and reduce the goods damage during shipment. Another approach for increasing product durability is to provide the best courier company option. Thus, customer can also select their preferred and desired courier company through the Sport Direct warehouse or application. This solution will be able to reduce the amount of good damage returned by the customer. Therefore, using protective packaging solution is today one of the most important ways to ensure that goods arrive at destination.
One of the recommendations that can be adding is hashtag sealing on packaging method. The hashtag method is strongly recommended, which is applying tape across all of the box, open seams to forms, and H shape across the top and bottom of the box. A proper sealing method is needed when sealing the box to prevent accidental opening while the parcel is on the way to the receivers. Therefore, to adding new methods in this project to ensure that the quality is secure from any impact of the damage or pressure from the delivery process of couriers. In exchange image with customer, restore faith in the ability to deliver product safely. That's all from our group. Thank you very much for your attention.